Welcome viewers, I am Venkatesan. Today my lecture is about the basics of counting. There are two basic counting principles. The first one is product rule and the second one is sum rule. First, let me explain about product rule. Suppose a certain process can be done in m ways and the another process which is independent of the former can be done in n ways. Remember here m and n are independent. Then both of them can be done in m into ways, that is we can use product rule if we consider both of them simultaneously. Second one, the sum rule. Suppose a process can be done in m ways, this is quite similar to product rule, and another process can be done in n ways and both cannot done simultaneously. Remember in product rule we consider both of them can be done simultaneously, but in sum rule both cannot be done simultaneously. Then any one of them, that is either of them, can be done in m plus n ways. So how can we identify whether the problem comes under product rule or we can solve the problem using sum rule? Means you have to verify the question clearly. If both of them, if you identify the sentence like both of them simultaneously, which means then we have to use product rule. If both cannot be simultaneously means then we have to use sum rule. Now let me start the exercise. The first question, how many different bit strings of length 7 are there? How many different bit strings they have given clearly? So each of the 7 bit strings can be chosen in only two ways, because we know that each bit is either 0 or 1. Hence, by product rule, actually here the length of the bit string is 7, which means in 7 places we have to occupy the strings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many chances are there to occupy the first place? That is either it will be 0 or 1. So two chances are there. Likewise, in all 7 places, 2 into 2 into 2 etc. up to the 7th place also 2. Finally, my answer is going to be 2 power 7 ways. Problem number 2. How many different license plates are available if each plate contains a sequence of 3 letters followed by 3 digits? Remember, in the question it is clearly given 3 letters followed by 3 digits. Your question is how many different license plates? Remember, first we have to remember how many letters are there, how many digits are there. Letters in the sense alphabets. We know that clearly 26 choices are given for each letter, that is for alphabets. Similarly, 10 letters or 10 choices are given for each digits. Sir, how it will be 10 means we have to start from 0. 0, 1, 2, etc. up to 9. So 10 choices are for digits and 26 choices are given for letters. Remember, here it is clearly mentioned repetitions are allowed. Repetitions are allowed, which means a number which occur in the first place can repeat in the second place also. That is the actual meaning. So there are 26 choices for each alphabet and 10 choices for the 3 digits. All alphabet can be chosen in how many times? Here out of 26 we can choose any one alphabet. Similarly, here also out of 26 we can choose any one alphabet. In the third place also we can choose any one alphabet from 26. So here it comes 26 into 26 into 26. We will be getting 26 power 3 ways. In the same manner, all three numbers can be chosen in here. I said already 10 choices, no? Here first place. Suppose if a number 3 occurs here, means the same number can repeat in second place or it may be new number. Similarly for the third place also. So it is going to be 10 into 10 into 10. So anyway, your answer is 10 power 3. Hence, by product rule, the total number of possible license plates is 26 power 3 into 10 power 3. While calculating, your answer is 17,576,000. Problem number 3. How many three digit numbers can be formed using 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9? And how many can be formed if no digits are repeated? Remember, the second option is how many can be formed if the digits are not repeated, also they are asking here. First, the number of ways each three digits is filled using the given number. First, how many digits are given here? In total, 7 digits are given, which means 7 number of ways are there. So, first, this is one place, and this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So, out of 7, you can choose any one digits here. Similarly, out of 7, you can choose any one digits in the tens place. Similarly, out of I mean excuse me, yes, out of 7 we can choose any one in hundreds digits also. Therefore, the total number of ways 3 digit number can be formed is 7 into 7 into 7. My answer is 343 ways. Second subdivision, how many can be formed if no digits are repeated? Repeated means that if already one digit is repeated in the first place, the same digit should not be reused in the second place. And similarly, if one digit which is occurred in the second place means first and second, what are the numbers which is available in first place and second place, both should not be repeated in the third place. Which means that in first place, if I have 7 options, means in second place I will be having only 6 options. Similarly, in third place I will be having only 5 options here. So 7 into 6 into 5 ways, that is 210 ways is my answer. So if the digits are repeated means I'll be getting 343 ways. If the digits are not repeated means then I'm getting only 210 ways. Problem number 4. Suppose that either a member of the mathematics faculty or a student who is a mathematics major is chosen as a representative to a university committee. How many different choices are there for this representative? If there are 37 members of the mathematics faculty and 83 mathematics major and no one is both. Remember, here it is clearly mentioned no one is both, which means that both cannot be done simultaneously, which indicates that this problem should be solved by using some rule. No one is both a faculty member and a student. First, it is clearly given 37 max faculties are there and 83 max major students are there. So when you are choosing a member of the mathematics faculty, is never the same as choosing a student who is a mathematics major, because no one is both a faculty member and a student. Hence, by some rule, we can add up 37 and 83. You will be getting 120 ways. Thank you.